Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll show you how to create a TikTok account in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, find and open the TikTok app on your phone. Next, you have multiple sign-up options. You can link your Facebook or Google account, but the two most common methods are using your phone number or email. I'll use email in this video. Then, in the next step, you need to select your birthday. Once you've selected it, tap Next. Now, enter your phone number or email address. Since I'm using email, I'll enter that here. Once done, tap Continue. A confirmation code will be sent to your phone or email, depending on your choice. Just type in the code here to verify your phone or email. Next, create a password. Make sure it's strong by using letters, numbers, and special characters. In the next step, you'll be asked to add a nickname. You can skip this step, and TikTok will assign a default username, where you can type in your preferred name and tap Confirm. And that's it! You successfully created your TikTok account in minutes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.